Hello, sleep-deprived insomniacs. Before I start this video, I would like you all to go get your sleeping pills and chuck them in the bin, because you won't be needing them after watching this video. So stick till the end and let's get started. Lack of sleep ages a person by a decade in terms of that critical aspect of wellness. And not to mention that without sleep, the memory circuits of your brain essentially become waterlogged and you can't learn new information or make memories. Surprisingly, a lot of people are taking sleeping pills, which have a ton of side effects and can further damage your health, when all you need is that one powerful mineral that is already present in your bodies and is responsible for a lot of good stuff. Magnesium. Yes, you heard me right. Magnesium is that single mineral that will help you sleep like a baby. It's a very interesting mineral, yet so underrated when it comes to your overall well-being. Magnesium is a cofactor, which means it's a helper element that is involved in the activation of certain enzymes. There's actually 300 enzymes that magnesium is involved with, and the one that we are going to discuss today is involved in the mitochondria, and it has to do with producing energy. Without getting too technical, that's called the Krebs cycle. It's the combination of fuel or glucose or other fuels plus the oxygen. The biochemistry might appear to be very complex here, but just think about a carburetor. Now, what is it? It's basically a device in your car or your lawnmower that is mixing a drop of fuel with oxygen in the right ratios to then ignite through a little spark plug to produce energy. Right? Well, you have the same thing happening in the mitochondria, but the spark plug that activates the enzyme that ignites this combination of fuel and oxygen is magnesium and vitamin B1. Okay, I mean there's other nutrients as well, but those two are the big ones. So, if you don't have enough magnesium, your body is going to suffer from low energy and you're going to have inability to relax. 99% of all magnesium is stored inside the muscles bones or inside the cell. That is why magnesium deficiency is so easy to go undetected on your blood reports. Some of the subclinical symptoms include fatigue, high blood pressure, cramps in your calves, at night and irregular heartbeat. Benefits of magnesium. Magnesium helps muscle relax, calms down nerves, slow the rate of nerve impulses, and it's really important in heart physiology. But one of the main purpose of this video is to educate people how magnesium helps when it comes to having a deep, calming sleep. Here are some of the ways that we are going to discuss today. Magnesium increases serotonin in your body, which then increases melatonin, which is a sleep hormone. Serotonin is also very beneficial for your mood and keeping stress at a very low level. It increases something called GABA. GABA is a neurotransmitter, a relaxing neurotransmitter. It helps you relax, especially when you're trying to go to sleep. Number 3. It is a calming mineral, which helps decrease adrenaline. You can't go to sleep if you are in an increased adrenal stress mode. Number 4. Magnesium really helps your muscle relax, not just your structural muscle, but muscles in your digestive system. Number 5. It decreases inflammation and pain, which comes as a result of decreasing something called C-reactive protein. Number 6. It decreases restless leg syndrome, which is a very uncomfortable feeling of this trapped energy in your body, especially legs, that won't let you sleep peacefully. Number 7. It helps reduce PMS, cramping, which actually is a cramp of a muscle in the uterus, and since magnesium is so good with muscle relaxation, it helps with period pain. Besides being a very best sleeping aid, magnesium also has tons of other benefits. Magnesium helps provide more oxygen to the heart, which means less heart problems. One study suggests that deficiency of magnesium is found in 80% of heart attacks. Magnesium is really important in cardiovascular function because where calcium controls the contraction of the heart, magnesium controls the relaxation. Clear out the calcium so that you can relax, which is why we always need them in proper ratios. So, if you're deficient in magnesium, you tend to get arrhythmia. If you don't have enough magnesium, you get cramps in the calves, you get spasms, and your muscle become very, very tight. Even your whole colon becomes very, very tight, which can make you bloated and you get constipated. And because the muscles are not relaxing, your blood pressure goes up. A lot of times the muscles are just tight, they are in spasm, and it's going to pinch around the nerve. It also helps with migraines, memory, and learning skills. Magnesium helps with type 2 diabetes because of its ability to lower insulin. So you can see that magnesium deficiencies can create a lot of problems. It is suggested to take at least 450 milligrams of magnesium daily. But the big question is, where do you get magnesium? Well, one of the best sources is food that are high in chlorophyll. Now, chlorophyll is like the blood of the plant. The chemistry of chlorophyll is very similar to your own blood, but your blood has iron as its main mineral and chlorophyll has magnesium. So you're gonna have to consume a lot more leafy greens to get your magnesium. But the cool thing is, you're also going to get your potassium, you're going to have calcium and other vitamins as well. Causes of magnesium deficiency and how to avoid it. The number one cause of magnesium deficiency is mainly the diet, because people don't consume enough leafy greens, nuts and seeds. Some of the excellent sources of magnesium are Some of the other causes are stress. Stress depletes magnesium. Magnesium helps reduce cortisol, the stress hormone, and vice versa. Vitamin D deficiency can be another cause of less magnesium in your body because vitamin D helps absorb magnesium in your body. So if you don't have enough vitamin D, your body is not going to absorb magnesium, even if you're taking it. Alcohol depletes magnesium. Diuretic and antacids will deplete magnesium too. You need a strong stomach to absorb magnesium. All minerals, by the way. I hope this video has helped you learn a little bit about magnesium and why it is such an important mineral for your well-being. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. There are a whole bunch of people that really need this information, so please press share as well. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video.